Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crash Designs. A while ago, I had one of my subscribers, commenters, ask me about folk art color shift paints. That's one of the things that I didn't have. So I contacted folk art and shared the comment with them. But it was during the very beginning of the pandemic. So they told me that they weren't shipping out at the time, so they would get back to me. So that was months ago. So I kind of forgot about it, and all of a sudden, just one day, this showed up. So I was pretty curious to open it, and I'm going to share it with you all today. I can't find the comment because they didn't comment on a video that the comment was associated with. So thank you for commenting. If anybody else wants to see me review a craft supply, just let me know and I'll try to contact them. So, I'll be right back and I'll show you what's inside. I know, I couldn't believe it either, right? So, I know my camera is from an overhead view, so this is difficult to see, but I'm going to go through them all, so just stay tuned. But 3, 6, 9, 11, 10, and 2. Wow. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to start simple, and these are the Dragonfly Glaze. Just 2 of the Dragonfly Glaze. I'll have to put my glasses on to see. This one is the blue, green, gold shift. Blue, green, gold. That'll be pretty. And this one is the green, gold, red shift. That is really pretty as well. Alright, so those are the 2 Dragonfly colors. Really excited for those. Alright, now let's just pull out. This one is the pink flash. There we go, maybe that's a better view. Looks like it's got a purple flash. This one is the red flash, obviously, which also has a purple flash. This one is also the red flash. And this one is also the pink flash. This one is the orchid flash. Ooh, which looks like it has a gold flash. That'll be really pretty. Okay, this is the orange flash, which appears to also have a purple / pink sort of flash. Okay, this is the blue flash, which also has a purpley kind of flash. And then these are the green. This one is the emerald flash, which appears to either have a gold or a silver flash. And then, of course, my favorite, which is the green flash. Not necessarily what I would have called it, but which definitely does have a gold flash. Really pretty. Okay. Now, let's start with these. These are the treasure gold colors. This one is the Mayan gold or Maya. Which is really similar in color to the champagne gold, which is the Deco Art brand. A really pretty color. This one is the gold. Really pretty gold. Okay, this one is the copper. Okay, this one is the rose gold or rose. Again, just a gorgeous color. So pretty. Okay. This one is the antique silver, which is a very gunmetal kind of color. It's really, it's really a color that I don't already have. I don't even have a color similar. That is really pretty. Okay. This one is the Aquamarine. Again, which is a color I don't already have. I don't even have anything similar to it. So it's really pretty. In paint. I probably have a mica similar. This one is the blue quartz. That's just a pretty name even. In a metallic kind of color, I have a darker blue and a really pale blue, but I don't have anything similar to these, so that's really interesting. Okay, this one is the purple topaz, topaz violet. That's one of the things I'm loving about even trying these, is because these are colors that I don't already have. I don't even think in the Prima line I have anything similar. This one is the antique copper. Antique copper. Oh, wow. Alright, I thought it was odd for it to be called antique copper when it's a very rich purpley color, but it really does have a copper flash. Really pretty. Wow. I'm gonna actually go by the label color, because that's the color of the flash. So pretty. Alright, that will be fun. And then last but not least, this is the green gold. Or vert. Again, one of my favorite colors. Not at all similar to the flash color. It's more of an olivey type color. Really pretty. I love it. Okay. So that's it for this one. I just wanted to come by real quick and do an unboxing. These are the Folk Art Color Shift and Treasure Gold colors that I received in the mail from Folk Art. Thank you so much for your wonderful comment. I sent it ahead to Folk Art, and this is what they sent me. So, I will really enjoy trying these out, and I'll share it with you too. Alright, please like, share, and subscribe if you've got anything out of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, all my social media links will be listed below. I'll probably list the Folk Art site below too. Bye for now.